Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the A ignition replacement electric fuel pump. This electric fuel pump is for various Mercury Marine low pressure pump carbureted engines, such as the 1998 4.3 liter 262, 2000 5.0 liter 305, or the 5.7 liter 350, along with the Mercruiser Marine and Mercruiser inboard 4.3 liter V6 and 5.0 liter V8 Gen Plus engines. Some additional 350 cubic inch carbureted engines can run this fuel pump, so please review the listing below or reach out to us to confirm your application. What this electric fuel pump does is it provides the necessary fuel to your boat to keep it running as best as it can. If your pressure is off, either too high or too low, replacing this can make sure your engine generates the best amount of power while improving fuel consumption. While this electronic fuel pump is not a genuine OEM part, it does have the same OEM fit, quality, and finish throughout, thanks to the OEM connector and matching existing fuel inlet and outlet. However, this unit has been enhanced thanks to a new pump design for extended life and, of course, new wire loom to protect the wires. This electric fuel pump also comes with new seal washers and the threaded adapter. Installation of these electric fuel pumps can be done if you feel comfortable working on your boat. However, the location of the pump along with access to it will vary per application. If you are doing this work yourself, please make sure you are working in the best ventilated area possible, disconnecting any batteries or shore power, and making sure you limit the fuel that may be leaking out of your existing fuel pump. If you have any questions about this replacement electric fuel pump, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.